this problem happened to you, please check what I say. First, press F10. Some computer it may be Shift plus F10. So after that you get a command box. Select then type disk part and press enter. Then type list space disk and enter. Then you can see all connected disks on your computer. It may be USB disk, SD, HDD. Then type select space disk space 0 and number you want, which number you want for the conversion. In this regular case it may be 0. Then plus enter. Then next type clean and enter. This clean up your everything, every data in your computer. After that type convert GPT, enter. This it convert to GPT and this allow you to install Windows on your computer. Then next press exit and then next press exit. Now now you can install your look, now it's installing. Thank you for watching my video. Smash the like button and keep subscribed.